Good day everyone, so welcome again to our Minty Vlog, and today we're going to feature this 200cc farm. Alright, so shoutout po pala kay Sir Fidel ng Tagum. Sir, nandito na yung unit mo at i-check na lang natin. And then this one goes to Tagum uli via tracking services. Okay, so ngayon sir, ito yung susi mo, pasok lang natin sa ignition. Ayan. Okay, so check lang natin yung lightning. So, signal light lang muna tayo. Signal light to my right and signal light to my left. Okay, this is the low beam and this is the high beam. Op, then busina. Okay, try naman natin i-start. Okay, this 200cc farm comes with the fully automatic transmission. Ayan. So, ngayon forward tayo. And forward. Ayan. So, nilagay lang natin ng karton to guys. Ayan, medyo messy para lang hindi lang madumihan ng ating loob. So, pakita ko lang natin. Ito yung kanyang shifter. Forward, neutral, and reverse. Okay, so ganun lang po siya kadali. Wala ka nang kailangan pindutin na clutch. Okay, this is the neutral and this is the reverse. Okay, aside from that, this is the functions. This is para sa ilaw. Okay, ito naman yung para sa kanyang ilaw. Okay, ito yung sa monitor, but then hindi po to working. Okay, so at the same time, ito po yung kanyang para sa ilaw ng low beam and high beam and signal light, right and left, and ignition. This is the kill switch on and off. Okay, syempre kagandahan sa kanya, meron pa rin siyang seat belt. Syempre, two-seater. Okay, syempre, meron din po tayong carrier. Okay, forward ko pa konti para makita po natin yung likod. Ayan, syempre may carrier tayo. Load capacity ay 300 kg. Syempre, naka-disc brake po tayo. Ayan, hydraulic disc brake siya. Okay. Tapos, try po natin ang kanyang ilaw. Ayan, may kita natin ilaw niya. Okay, sa likod, taillight. To my left, signal light. And to my right, signal light. Okay, taillight, then brake light. Taillight, ayan. Okay, ngayon naman po, mag-reverse tayo.